We're here at the Country and the Sweets here at Ocala. We got Mowrey here to ride.
Well, that's just it, man. Like I'm telling you, like this deal I'm on now down in Lafayette, like I know you keep hearing me talk about it, but it's like, this thing's gonna be a breeze.
5 floors. Let's go to 5. Here we go, murder. It's messed up. There it is, 88 phone. No, not 88 phone. Excuse me. Vandalik buttons. Kind of reminds me of the Hampton Inn in Asheville, it's on the road. Love these buttons.
I never said word one
Oh.
Yeah.
What the hell is this?
No,
It's
I know,
like
I do,
90s.
but I've seen Tom and talked to him a couple times.
And there goes
like,
the elevator.
subsequently, he's never mentioned
And I
it.
guess
I've never brought it up.
that is going to be it for me.